Just a great guy, friend to many of us here at Wild Willys and Akins and Winder. Brought his truck in. He had airbags in the rear and some nice Dix Epic tires and just a factory wheel. Wanted to do a little bit of upgrade, so we definitely took care of him with a 3.5-inch ReadyLIFT SST kit. Have him sitting nice and level, a little more elevated as well. And we did the black Rhino Kelso wheel, 18x9 on 295 70/18. Love that tire as well. He always was running. Upgraded him with the power deployable Ant Research power boards. Really cleans up the lines overall. Already had a bed cover. This is a Lariat platform. Out back we did some custom emblem work. Truly looks nice there. Wheel well liners in the rear. You know we love that. Cleans up that wheel well. Some nice custom F150 side badging. This one even says Lariat. Very nice. And up front, that emblem was truly transformed. That whole front end of this Lariat Sport package turned out very nicely. Very patient and just a great dude. Hopefully I can swing some golf clubs with him sometime soon, or sling some arrows. Just do something fun. Know he's gonna love it. All that and more. Wild Willys at Akins Ford, Winder, Georgia. Thanks for watching.